name is Marcy Mowry. I'm the president of the Pennsylvania Parks and Forest Foundation. We're a nonprofit that works with all 121 state parks and 20 forest districts across the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Our goal is to steward these lands for today and for future generations. And we engage people in volunteerism. We advocate on behalf of our state parks and state forests, and we look to invest in transformative projects in our state parks and state forests.
We've been supporting PPFF for many years through our holiday card program, and the donations we make support not only the training and development of their own internal programs and volunteer efforts, but also infrastructure projects like this ADA accessible kayak and canoe ramp here at Little Buffalo State Park.
So the project behind us is an ADA dock that we placed at Little Buffalo State Park, and Dawood Engineering was a supporter of this project. And it all came about through private donations and partnerships. And it allows people that have balance challenges or who may be using a assistive device like a wheelchair to access the water by keeping the kayak or the canoe very balanced and allowing for easy transfer from a wheelchair into the boat and to launch onto the lake. So we've received a lot of very positive feedback from people who thought that access to the water was no longer part of something that they could do to improve their physical, mental, and emotional health. It's now there again for them. So it's been very well received. We were actually just talking to a gentleman who has some friends who are veterans who love the water but have very limited places where they can access the water. So he's excited to go back and tell his friends about this dock so they can come and enjoy the water, and enjoy the benefits of being on the water.
For many years, Dawood has been working with DCNR here in Pennsylvania to help redesign and develop its infrastructure. It's an important part of what we do and a major client for Dawood Engineering, and we're very proud of the work that we've done to make our state parks more accessible to Pennsylvanians and visitors from all over the country. Investment in infrastructure like this is a key component of how we will make America better and also help us to recover after the pandemic economically.